cat vines. Yeah! She's a cat. She's so freaking adorable. You can see her little foot right here, patita. Little patita. They always sleep in too. Besito, besito. They smell great too. Oh, I tasted it. They let you do anything. See? They will love you forever and ever. Her name's Melania, by the way.